Hey guys, today we're going to debunk some common myths about eyelash extensions. The first myth I want to debunk is that lash extension glue is the same as super glue. Both super glue and cyanacrylate have the same base, which is called cyanacrylate, abbreviated CA. It can completely vary in form and purity. When you're using a cyanacrylate and a super glue, you're going to have usually an ethyl grade cyanacrylate that's probably very low or poorly purified. Lash extension glue should be closer to the medical grade adhesives that we're using in and on the body, usually octyl or butyl cyanacrylates that are very well purified, so you're not getting a fume or an irritation if it touches the skin. So bottom line, don't use your super glue or your brother's Elmer's glue on your lash extensions. You won't be having a good time. Myth number 2 when performing lash extensions is that more is more. More adhesive, more lashes, you're gonna have more staying power, your lash is gonna last longer. This couldn't be further from the truth. The way our adhesive works, cyanacrylate adhesives in general, is the thinner the bond, the more flexible it's gonna be, the healthier and the longer retention you're gonna get. So when it comes to lash extensions, less is more. The least amount of adhesive to get a full bond from root to tip is what you want, so that when it slowly cures, you're gonna have a soft, flexible bond that moves with the natural hair. Less is more. Myth number 3 is that you should not wet your lashes. I don't know where this originated from. Actually, our adhesive is completely cured. Once it completely cures in 24 hours, it is completely waterproof. What it's not proof is oil proof. So although we can wash our lashes, and we should wash our lashes at least 3 times a week to prevent oil, bacteria, eye infections, to actually make your lashes last longer. Did you know when you wash your lashes at least 3 times a week, your lashes last 2 weeks longer? But we also want to avoid anything with oil or glycol because these ingredients can break down our adhesives. So make sure you're using a proper lash cleanser that's been tested for eyes. No baby shampoo. Why no baby shampoo? Well, not only does it have all kinds of crazy carcinogens in it, it's not meant for healthy eyes. It's the only reason it's tear-free. Do you know it has numbing agents in it? Kind of scary. Our lash cleanser, for example, has biotin and panthenol, which is actually going to make your natural lashes healthier. The main ingredient is aloe, which is a natural antiseptic, and then it has things like fruit extracts, cucumber to hydrate the skin. It's actually going to be anti-aging for the skin area, as well as make your natural lashes hydrated, soft, and flexible. So when your lashes and its extensions move, they're not popping off. So again, 3 times a week at least with the cleanser, as often as you want if it's lash safe, which means oil and glycol free. Your extensions will last you 2 weeks longer. Booyah. Myth number 4, guys, lash extensions ruin your natural lashes. This couldn't be further from the truth. If the lashes are applied properly with a good, safe, healthy product, your natural lashes actually get healthier because you're not playing with them, you're not putting on mascara, you're not getting that wear and tear. Your natural lashes are free to grow through their natural cycle, shed, and get a new hair. The problem comes in when people go to professionals that maybe aren't so professional or are using products that are maybe not the best quality, or their technique isn't up to par. Aftercare is also really important. You could get beautiful lashes, but then if you go home and get oil on them and they all clump together and you don't take care of it, you could cause lash damage. But bottom line is, properly applied extensions, properly cared for, are gonna not damage your natural lashes. Good news for us. Myth number 5, lash extensions should only last 2 weeks. Well, if you're a lash pro, you can do everything you can do in your power to do the perfect lashes. But the number 1 thing you need to do is educate your client on aftercare. With proper aftercare, your client's lashes can actually last anywhere from 4 to 6 to 8 weeks. How is that so? Our lash cycle is 60 to 90 days, your hair goes out and sheds. With proper application and products, your extension's actually able to last that full 60 to 90 days. What affects it is aftercare if the client's getting a lot of sweat, salt, tears, eye drops on them, or they're getting a lot of oil from not cleansing, from touching them, from skincare, maybe they're using makeup that's not lash friendly. These are all things that can affect retention. So bottom line is, if you want your clients to get a longer life, which you do, because we all know lash retention equals client retention, you're gonna have them do the proper aftercare. It's really important to educate your client on how to clean them with the proper cleanser. And we actually even make a lash serum that will keep the lashes on 2 weeks longer. Because how it works is it keeps that lash stage, the anagen stage of the lash cycle, 2 weeks longer before shedding. So instead of any of these lash growers out there, I won't name names, that speed up the cycle, ours actually prolongs that lash cycle so your extensions can last 2 weeks longer. So our clients were average 6 to 8 weeks and need a touch-up. Touch-up meaning half the lashes have grown out. Hope you enjoyed today's myths. I look forward to sharing more with you. Happy lashing. I'm such a cheeseball.